So I installed the carbon Miata seatbelt extenders on my NB, and it clearly blocks the latch for the hardtop. The installation instructions weren't the greatest. Tells you to remove some of the OEM spacers. So removing these, you will actually tighten the bolt, and that'll cause the interior piece to crack there. So the instructions aren't the greatest. Tells you to use their supplied spacers, but you remove these 3 spacers, and that's what prevents you from over tightening that bolt to prevent you cracking your plastic trim here. So it would have been nice if I guess they would have said that it doesn't work with hardtops. So this seatbelt extender is pretty much useless to me, as I do have a hardtop sitting here. So on the hardtop there are these latches, and those are being blocked off. So I would not recommend the carbon Miata seatbelt extenders. I mean, you could install it, but you'd have to remove it every single time. And I would use those 3 spacers to prevent over tightening.